Insurgencymusic.com. Insurgencymusic.com.
Straight motherfucking ballin'. Part 2, still ballin'. Corrupt up in this motherfucker. West side. Now ever since a nigga was a seed, only thing promised to me was the penitentiary. Still ballin', riding on these niggas cause they lame. In a 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this game. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Up before the sunrise, quicker than the drug dealers. Tell me if it's on. Nigga, that we first the born bust on these bitch made niggas. Hit 'em up, West side. Ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I love my female strap. I'm fucking from the back, I get my currency in stacks. California's where I'm at. Riding, pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tears shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead. Niggas still ball till the day I die. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'.
They done did it, let the dog out the cage. I'm pumped, dump with the gauge. I done did it all. Everywhere I go, I ball. Precise, keep my game tight, or for sure I fall. I'm the invincible, and since the top principles loot, like the heat to the mark, who got the heart to shoot? I get stitches, play the game with BB Bridges. When I was young, dreaming about money, fame, and bitches. I like fat asses, fat money bags with cash and masses. Slowly as time passes, I found nothing but money rules, time and space. And in this realm of thoughts where all the fucking murders take place. And I'm in it to win, I'm out to get paid. Got all these bitches on my dick from all the money I made. It's a trade I've acquired, growing up, inspired naturally, I don't give a fuck. I'm murder with a hot.
Still ballin' till the day I die. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Now everybody wanna see us dead. You murdered on the front page, shot the death bullets to the head. Niggas holler out my name in a similar way. Motherfuckers know I'm coming, so they run into their graves. Watch, swoop down with my nigga from the back. Cause Corrupt don't give a fuck when you carry niggas in blast. Keep pumping, they worry about nothing. But the story was frontin', so reload and keep coming.
I feel heat everywhere niggas see me up in the streets. I don't tweak, speaking straight, 38 under the seat match. Mission mode, my thoughts withhold. Plots and plans for scams, money bags and gold rolling collide. Homicide vibes inside, thug life and dog pound on this midnight ride. Ever since we hit the road, we got stationed with no hesitation. Make moves, nigga, Mr. Too Smooth, the elaborate, yet slow like motion. Focus on the money that's made and sip on this poisonous potion. Glamour get you got, too much heat, too hot. Get shanked, get shot, indulging in this poisonous plot. Fame and fortune, fortune from game, weed and zags, endless amounts of cash. Jags, it's all the same, ain't shit ever gonna change as long as there's money to exchange, nigga.
Till the day I die, you can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'.
Insurgencymusic.com. Insurgencymusic.com.
love you, we want you, we need you, we wish we were like you. They say you're a saint, you're a whore, you're a sinner, that he had you, made you, can't live without you. Would you confess if we asked that you nurtured the urge to declare that it's time to settle down with a man of your own? You want a baby, a family, a piece of security.
You'll never be mine. It is you. You'll never be mine. It is you. You'll never be mine. Oh.